Hey guys, Gabe from Donley Ford here. Here's 5 great reasons why this truck is a must-have before Christmas. Number 1 has got to be this brilliant red paint color. It's a little bit more stylish than Santa's sleigh, and I'm pretty sure this truck bed can haul a little bit more gifts in. Number 2 has got to be these black fuel wheels and this lift kit on this truck. With the combination, you'll be sure to stand out in any crowd. Number 3 has got to be these massaging seats. That way when you're riding in style, you can feel good while doing it. Number 4 has got to be all the technology you get on this truck for it being a 2015. You get this gorgeous panoramic sunroof, power sliding rear window, navigation, cooled seats, and heated seats for all passengers. Reason number 5 is you get all of this for a great bargain at just under $33,000. If you're in the market for a unique looking truck that'll help you stand out, stop in today, give me a call and discover the Donley difference.